I'm Andy Reels at our local high. I'm here with Blue Lightning. Good. Congratulations. I give it to you. Even though but it was a great match. Got him in his submission. It's about time that I guess a new era comes out. But I have an interview brought with you. What do you guys have another event coming up?
Well, they're hoping for September, and all that. They have a show going on. I don't know quite what date it is, but we're looking at the 17th, I think, of September. But like I said, with Waffle, we did his homework. I knew that going against him again, I'd have to take a little bit of beating. He tends to get wrapped up in himself. That's where I stuck his submission here.
Yeah, you got him in submission. I gave it to him. He did get in submission. I was wrong, but that's right, though. Sportsmanship, that's what counts in this game.